I have the Boxycharm for the month of August. They do send me this for review purpose. As always, I will have my affiliate link down below if you want to subscribe using it. I do appreciate that. I do get some sort of compensation if you guys subscribe using that link. This is sent for review purpose, and I'm gonna go ahead and jump in. This month, the base box, the theme is Dusk Till Dawn, and the variation that I got is number 55. The first thing in here is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream. I'm super excited because my eye area is just in need of some loving. And this is $42. I have tried a sample of this and really enjoy it. It's a very thick cream and it does have retinol. So retinol is supposed to help with wrinkles. This is what the packaging looks like. I really highly enjoy Glow Recipe. I have a lot of their skincare products. If you follow me on Instagram, which if you ain't, my link is down below. I do sometimes share my nightly skin routine. I do kind of switch it up a lot because I do own a lot of products. And I have a lot of Glow Recipe because I really highly enjoy them. I've bought some of them have just come in boxes. But overall, like, I think there's only like one product from Glow Recipe that I didn't care for. Other than that, every single one I really highly enjoy. And this one's really nice, thick, moisturizing, and it also, like I said, has retinol. On the box it says that it has avocado, retinol, coffee berry, and niacinamide. It's supposed to help you moisturize, brighten, and fight fine lines and depuff. It says that during the day you can layer SPF around the eye area, and then it's mainly for use at night, but anytime you use a retinol you do want to use SPF. That's very important. Next thing in here is the Natasha Denona Cupid eyeshadow palette, which you guys will see in the try on portion. It's actually the look that I have on my eyes right now. I absolutely love Natasha Denona. If you've seen any of my collection videos, you'll see that I own quite a bit of her palettes. I own quite a few of these little 5-pan ones. I own the mini ones, and I own like full big eyeshadow palettes from her as well. I am trying to use more of what I have and, you know, buy less. If you guys have followed my journey on Instagram, I'm just trying to really use what I have, but I could not just give this away because I love Natasha Denona. I love her formula, and I'm always down for a neutral palette, and this is absolutely beautiful. It has this beautiful cranberry shade, just a really nice, beautiful palette for every day, and I really was surprised by the nice, warm, dusky colors that are perfect with the fall theme in this palette. So really nice, and that's $48. Next thing is the Aesthetica Starlight Highlighter. This is $25. I actually went ahead and tried this out because the shade in here is very different. It's kind of like a duochrome shade. Hopefully you guys will be able to see that, but it's almost like on the coral side, and it gives like a nice little reflex. Not anything very similar to most of the ones that I have. Most of the ones that I have are either like that silveryish color or very light highlighters, or if not, they're on the golden side. So I don't have many shades that are very similar to this, so I thought I'd go ahead and try it out. It's actually what's on my cheek, and I think it's very beautiful. Next thing is the Queen V Bow Down Brow Glue. That's actually what I have on my eyebrows. I don't have any other products in. I didn't fill them in or anything, so these are just my natural eyebrows with no shaping to them. And this is just a really nice little glue, like a gel, like a clear brow gel. It has a nice small spoolie, which I really enjoy. I hate when those spoolies are way too big, and just seems really nice. Overall, it did dry really nicely. I'm still looking out for any flaking or anything like that. I just applied this not even 10 minutes ago. With flaking, I kind of see it on the long run. If I'm wearing my makeup all day, then all of a sudden I'm like, what the hell's on my eyebrows? And it's usually when I wear a brow gel. Sometimes they will flake as if I have dandruff on my eyebrows. And we shall see about this one by Queen V. But this is $16, and it says non-sticky, flake resistant, super long lasting. Hopefully it will be all that. Last thing in here is the Basic Beauty Gel Lip Liner Duo. This is $24. They're lip liners that are creamy, long lasting, and hydrating. I have one of the shades on my lips right now. These are $24 for 2 of them. It comes with two shades in here, Latte and Cocoa. Latte is actually the shade that I have on my lips right now. It's a very beautiful orangey fall color, and I went ahead and put a gloss on top. And then the other shade, Cocoa, is beautiful for fall as well. It's a beautiful chocolate brown shade. And those are the 5 products. I'm gonna go ahead and go into the try on. For the try on portion, we're gonna go ahead and start off with the Natasha Denona Cupid palette, and I'm gonna try to use as many shades in here as possible. There is a very nice neutral matte color here, which I'm just gonna use all over the crease. I'm gonna just do one eye on camera and then do everything else off, just to save myself time when editing. It's just easier for me. Let me get my little Grogu mirror here. So it does have a little bit of pigmentation. I don't know if it's just from stuff that I had on my brush, but it is a nice little neutral shade, and we're just applying this all over the crease. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and darken that up with a smaller brush. Let me see. Gotta clean this off. I really need to clean my brushes. Just doing a horrible job. But from that shade, now we're gonna go into that mid-tone shade, and I'm gonna put that right underneath it. Just right there in the center. And buff it out. And if I do this in a hurry, just know that my parents are watching my son in the other room just so I could film this video, because he starts school this week. So once he starts school, I am hoping that I'll be able to film more regularly, maybe even increase my uploads a week. But he always comes first, and because he always comes first, it's one of the reasons that I've been neglecting YouTube and social media. I used to post way more frequently when he was smaller and I had a little bit more time to do stuff like if he napped, but his napping era has basically faded away. He only naps like in the car, which I don't even know. If you have a small toddler, like what is it them with the car, right? It's like it works magic on them. Next, I'm gonna go into the cranberry shade and just put that on the outer part only of the lid, just to kind of add a little oomph to the outside. Oh, wow, that's pigmented. And just blend that in. I'm gonna try to use all the shades, all 5 shades. Hopefully you guys saw that and I wasn't blocking the view with my little mirror, because I tend to forget that I need to do this sideways. So just blend, 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 blend. And then I have 2 shimmer shades in here, this brown shade and then this cream colored shade. So I think I'm gonna use this one all over the lid and then use the other one as a pop in the inner corner. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'm just using my finger. Oh, that shade's beautiful. It's like a gorgeous copper shade. Woo! And I'm just blending that in. And then for the inner corner, I'm just gonna take the lighter shade and pop that in the inner corner. And then just take and blend, 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 blend. For the under eye, I think I'm gonna use that same lid color underneath and then just do the outer cranberry color on the outer part. So let's go back into that shimmer shade and just gonna do that half, and then the darker cranberry matte shade, just going to connect it here. And that is the look. I'll probably do this off camera on my other eye, but I wanted to show you guys the other things that are in the box and use them. First is the Aesthetica Starlight Highlighter, and we are going to open this baby up. Really nice packaging. Let's see what she looks like, just in case I don't want, ooh, that's pretty. This is very different compared to other shades that I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it because I've been trying not to dip into something if I have something similar and just give to other people. So let's go ahead and use this. This is a very beautiful shade. So I'm going to apply this just on the upper parts of my cheekbone. Oh, that's gorgeous. Maybe I'll even put some underneath my brow. Oh, that's very beautiful. So that shade, it's almost like a little duochrome shade. It's very gorgeous. So that's what it looks like. It's one of those banging, like really beautiful shades. You could even use that on the inner corner if you wanted to. And then next we're going to use Bow Down. This is a transparent brow glue. And the packaging is really cute. And let's go ahead and just test this out. It's a very tiny wand, which I really enjoy. And then I don't have anything on my eyebrows right now. It's just my natural eyebrows, the natural color. And yeah, it just kind of combs right through them really nice. I have to see if this, once it dries, it flakes or not, because that's an issue that I have with a lot of brow gels, is that my eyebrows will look like they have dandruff on them and I can't stand them. But so far, looks nice. And then the last thing that's in here is the Basic Beauty in Latte and Cocoa. Let's go ahead and pop these out. And these are, I think these are lip liners. Yeah, they're lip liners. So, oh wow, those are pretty thick. So this is the shade Latte and this is Cocoa. So based on the look that I'm doing right now, I think I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my whole lips using Latte. So let's go ahead and line them. And it's not super creamy, it's creamy enough where you can like, you know, like move your lips a little bit, but not enough for it to like move around like a lipstick. So if you wanna fill them in, you have to literally fill them in. So I feel like that color really goes really nicely with the lips. I think I'll add a little bit of a gloss just to add a little pop to it. But overall, I really enjoy everything in this box. Let me finish my makeup and come back with the final look and give you guys my final thoughts. And here is the finished look. I went ahead and just put some mascara on my eyelashes because they're watching my kid in the other room. And so I didn't have time to actually wear any falsies or anything like that. But overall, I really enjoy the look. Very beautiful for fall. Really beautiful fall palette and lip shades. I think this box is absolutely amazing. As always, I will put the total value here, but I have to say it's a winner between all the, I mean, everything in here is a winner for me, but especially the Glow Recipe and Natasha Denona, that just like seals the box for me of being a really, really great one. Let me know what your thoughts are. What are you looking forward to? What were your choice products? I'd love to hear from you down below. If you're not subscribed and want to see more beauty videos, low buys, favorites, all kinds of videos like that, definitely subscribe by hitting that little red button. I do have social media down below where I share flat lays of makeup of the days and kind of like my project pans, and I also have been starting to do more little reels on Instagram. I have been sharing them as well here on YouTube as YouTube Shorts, so let me know if you guys are into that. And yeah, that's all. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.